Davis & Wells is an excellent vertical bandsaw. We stock the guide kits, the rubber band wheel tires, and the urethane tires for the Davis & Wells machines. We also have a full line of bandsaw blades for this machine. The nice thing about it is if you buy $2,000 a year in bandsaw blades in a calendar year for the Davis & Wells bandsaw, you get an additional 20% off on all the parts. Our guide upgrade kits are a massive improvement over the regular OEM guides. Being in the bandsaw blade business, we know where the problems are on the guides. So what we did was we engineered a kit that took full advantage of the bandsaw blade. They helped the blade cut faster, longer, straighter, quieter, giving the end user a better cut. Go online, click the product description, and there'll be a how-to video on how to install that kit on your saw. Nothing could be easier.